Is your home ready for winter? Stay warm and cozy with a new furnace from Cambridge Heating and Cooling. Our expert team ensures a smooth, hassle-free installation so you can enjoy reliable warmth all season long. We install top-quality furnaces perfectly suited to your home, providing efficient heating and comfort. Experience the difference with Cambridge Heating and Cooling, your trusted partner for home comfort. Stay warm this winter. Contact Cambridge Heating and Cooling today for your furnace installation.